good morning. It is the morning when I'm filming this. I've been dying to just get back into vlogging my like everyday life. Oh, here I am doing that. Not sure if this is the healthiest choice of my life, but it is literally 10 a.m. and I'm drinking an Alani Nutrition, so cheers. Wearing my favorite little white fox hoodie. It is the morning. I just want to have a chill, fun morning with you guys. I just want to do a little chill, get ready with me segment of the vlog, kind of like we're on FaceTime and I'm catching you up with my life, you know what I mean? Okay, so I'm gonna start doing my makeup. I don't really have any particular plans today. I think I'm gonna like clean out my closet a little bit, post on Depop, maybe get some pictures, go out and get a coffee with you guys. I don't know. We're just gonna have a fun, adventurous day. So before I start my makeup, I always start off with my Road Barrier Restore Cream, and I mix this with my La Roche-Posay Invisible Sunscreen. It just makes these two things like super creamy and it like melts into your skin. There's a helicopter. Honestly, I feel like I'm such a skincare girly these days. Oh my god, this is kind of a lot. Do that, put it all over my face. Oh my god. So how are you guys? How have you been? Long time no see. Literally have not, like I said, I haven't filmed a full length YouTube video in what feels like 10 years, and I hate that I haven't. I've been doing a lot of YouTube shorts, which I've been enjoying so much, but I also just miss sitting down and making like 10-minute vlogs of like just my life. I don't know. So one of the first products I always start off with, I'm obsessed with this Merit stick. So I use this as like a concealer stick, but it's kind of like it's kind of like an everything stick. Put it under my eyes and like just put it places that I need it to be like under my foundation. Using this brush from Merit, it's like a very soft brush. I feel like I haven't been able to like settle down in like forever since, gosh, felt like March and April have been the craziest months. It finally started to slow down. Like I finally have been like just been able to do like nothing, and it's felt really freaking good. But it's also kind of weird. Like I kind of hate just sitting and doing nothing. For example, I went to Revolve Festival again this year, which is Coachella Weekend 1. It was literally so much fun. And then I went to Neon Carnival, which was so fun. We partied the night away, me and my best friend Gabby. Let me tell you all about it. This is the best foundation you'll actually ever use in your life. Trust me on that one, baby girl. I went to Revolve Festival last year and it was so much fun. This year I was so grateful. I literally got invited again. It was like so exciting. So I decided to take my best friend Gabby with me. I feel like I've never really shared this on my vlog. I don't even know if Gabby's been in my older videos or not, but Gabby is someone I literally like low-key grew up with a little bit. So I used to live in San Diego, like in the Carlsbad area. So that's where I met Gabby. And she ended up moving for a little bit and then she came back to California, and I'm so pumped. Just a little backstory. So anyways, I feel like we're making up for lost time right now, and we've been just like hanging out and doing the most chaotic things together, because the last time we like really hung out, we weren't even like 21, we were 19, like we were just babies. And now that she's moved back, it's been like so much fun. And if you guys want to see a little bit about Revolve Festival, definitely check out my YouTube short. It was very small this year. It was very intimate. It was at this gorgeous hotel. I forget, I think it's called the Palm Desert. I don't remember the hotel name. I'm not that smart. Okay, I'm sorry. This year they did like a very Y2K theme. So they had T-Pain, Ludacris, Yin Yang, Sean Paul, and they remind me of being like 6-7 years old. So it was actually just so much fun to go and see them. I had a lot of fun. A little photo on the screen of what I was wearing, but I basically just wore like an all white outfit because last year I did all black. A lot of girls were very dressed casually. Like a lot of girls were kind of copying the style of like Kylie Jenner and Hailey Bieber, and I was literally obsessed with it. And I kind of was thinking of going that route too. Like I was like, ooh, what if I just wear baggy denim and like a white tee and then just like add some things to it. I love going out. I love a good party. But recently I feel like I'm just so sick of drinking. Just like honestly taking a huge break from drinking, and it's been the best thing ever. Prior to Coachella weekend, I didn't drink for like 3 weeks to a month because I was like, oh, it's festival season. I know I'm gonna wanna like drink when, you know what I mean? Like I was like, I know myself. I know a lot of people like after you drink, you're always like, oh my god, I'm never doing that again. Like I hate the way drinking makes me feel. It's not fun. I don't like it. It doesn't do anything for me. Like a cocktail at dinner is so different from like getting plastered. Like I'm just making this huge shift of just staying away from things and people that just don't benefit me in any way. And I mean that in like not like a bad way. So like I could have easily just gone to the festival and had 2 drinks. You know what I mean? I really didn't need to like mix tequila, mix vodka. Like I didn't need to do all that. If you do follow me on Instagram and you see me at dinner posting a little wine or, you know, so that's different. I'm not getting crunk. I'm just having a little something for dinner. And then the next product I'm using is my Dior bronzer. Completely just exiled drinking, and I've really prioritized water, sleep, health, working out. Like, wow, the things that life will bring you when you just get rid of toxic shit. Oh, and one more other thing is I am actually attending therapy again, so that's been really healthy. But basically what I'm learning about myself is I was such a people pleaser, and I didn't really know how to say no and like be like, oh, I really don't like that, or like I really don't know. Sometimes I just like wouldn't stand up for myself, and I don't know why. I think there was like a fear in there for some reason. I don't want to be a people pleaser because that gets you nowhere in life. Also, if you saw my door move, that was my dog. I'm so sorry if that freaked anyone out. They think I'm like haunted. I'm not haunted, and even if I was, that would be nice because I have a friend. I'm just gonna use this Morphe brightening pink, so before I do like any contour to my nose, I usually just like put this on. Another thing about me too is I've really just been prioritizing the people that bring me so much peace when it comes to like friends, and I literally, no joke, have like 3 close people around me, and I've probably never been happier and feeling more like safe. Just really been prioritizing myself and my good friends, my amazing family, just like so much that I'm so blessed beyond words. When you go through something traumatic or just something extreme, it really just, I don't know, it completely rewired me a little bit. Like I was like, holy shit, like let's really look at the things that do matter and people that matter. Yeah, I've been staying away from the bars, I've been staying away from alcohol, and I just feel so good. Question has come up a bunch on my Instagram DMs. Always. This is like the #1 question everyone always asks me, is just like relationships. I honestly just keep my dating life extremely private, especially now. So I don't really like to get in depth about it, but I will say I'm really not focused on anyone else but myself right now, which I don't know. I mean, I'm really prioritizing like success. Like I don't want anyone to come in here and like take my tunnel vision away right now. Honestly, just not what I'm prioritizing at this very moment. And when I say I've never felt more excited and free and happy, it is really weird because I feel like I used to prioritize boys and dating and all this bullshit. But if the right person comes, the right person comes. But I just don't feel like I have time to waste right now. I think right now where I am is strictly tunnel vision of my goals, my dreams, success. I want my Porsche, and I just want to prioritize myself. Also, the blush I'm using, you guys, She's That Girl by Patrick Ta. I'm gonna do a little shadow liner. I'm using this Fashion Nova Beauty. It's just like this brown. I'm just gonna do a little liner. My favorite highlighter ever. Miss Charlotte. Another little thing I've been doing is I've been going up to LA a bunch recently, you guys. I had so many fun gifting suites. I recently went to, I go to White Foxes all the time, and they're so much fun. And then the PR team I'm on, they just did a gorgeous gifting suite for festival season. Like festival season is just my favorite. I love springtime. I love the gifting suites. So that was really fun. I'm gonna do my mascara off camera because there's literally no point of doing this on camera, but I'm using my Lash Paradise. This stuff is amazing. It's the waterproof one. So I'm using a little bit of Whirl lip liner from MAC, which is such a throwback. And then I'm gonna be using my Rhode lip tint in Toast. This is literally one of my favorites. I'm just gonna put the Rhode. This is literally one of my favorite Rhode lip colors. Like, you guys, look at that. So fire. Are you kidding me? I just picked out my outfit and literally just like put my hair up because I'm honestly really hungry. I need a food break. And guess who doesn't have groceries? Who does ever have, like, I never have groceries, like ever. Also, little update, I took my dog's cage out of my living room, so now it looks like an actual living room. Doesn't it look so pretty? It looks so much better. No dog cage. I trust her out of the cage now. I don't know if I'm gonna regret that decision, but I trust her right now. This is literally how I'm dressed half the time. It's just like super baggy, chill fits, and I'm obsessed with it. So this is what we're wearing today. Yeah. All right, on some real shit, I have no idea where I'm going. I have no idea what I'm doing because I'm so discombobulated lately. I don't know what's going on with my brain, but she's not there. She went away. So little update, it took me like 10 years to decide what to get to eat, but I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go to In-N-Out because it sounds so good. This is like the prettiest In-N-Out. Like, it's so aesthetically pleasing. I don't know what they did to make that so pretty. Line is a little psycho, but that's fine. This will be worth it. This will be worth the meal, but I'm gonna have to do like an intense workout tonight, honestly, because I'm eating this to get the chili peppers. I don't know if you guys have ever had those. You know what's interesting is I always forget In-N-Out has pickles. I might even add pickles to my burger. I cannot remember. I've never done that at In-N-Out. I'm having this like huge urge to like get a coffee. What does one girl do? Y'all, we secured the goods. I got my little chocolate milkshake because I'm literally 12. How sexy that is. Okay, look at how sexy. It smells so good. Chocolate shake's always a 10 out of 10. All right, so now I am at my closet. My dog is coming. Hello, do you need to make it about you today? Is it all about you? Okay, so I am now at the part of my day that I have been putting off for forever, which is finally like officially just going through my closet, figuring out what I need, what I don't need, what I wear, what I don't wear. So I do sell a lot of my clothes on Depop. If you guys are interested, I'll have that in the link down below. I have sold quite a bit already, but I'm also just trying to like reorganize a little bit, try and figure out what to do. I have a lot of clothes at the top that aren't very organized, and it's basically for like sponsored posts. So basically just need to like organize the vibe that I'm gonna take for pictures for Instagram, how I'm gonna photograph it, and just like organize. I'm literally running out of room in my closet for shoes. Like I literally have no room because I put like all my sweats and stuff here. That's why I really need a dresser, like a really fat, big dresser. And then the other thing I struggle with is like, see, okay, this is the one thing about my closet I can't fucking stand. It's just honestly too fucking small. And all of my denim is literally just stuffed in this corner. So I need to figure out what the hell I'm doing. For example, I wrote Tiger Mist because this is all of my like Tiger Mist stuff. And I have some like Poster Girl, like all these beautiful, beautiful brands. But I need to just organize this better so then I kind of like know what I'm doing. The corner of my closet to my left is like full of boots, and I got all of these gorgeous cowgirl boots from Revolve, like all of these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful boots. Know how to store them. Like, should I just keep them in the box and store them in my closet? I don't really know. I think I just need to figure that out once I get my dresser. I think my closet's a little too small, so I don't know. But I'm definitely keeping these. All right, so it is now afternoon time, which means it is time to go take this one on a really long walk. I have to do probably like 2 or 3 mile walk today. I'm wearing these little Nikes. These aren't like my favorites. I need to get new ones. I'm wearing this tank top from Target just because it's like super comfortable. Lorna Jane leggings. They're so buttery soft. We're gonna do quite a long walk today, aren't we? We're gonna do a long walk. Right. A period. Here she goes. It's her favorite spot. I always take her to this random little parking lot that we have, and she loves to just like run around. Okay, so it is now nighttime. I've had my makeup on literally all day. Just walked 10,000 steps. I'm pretty exhausted. I just want this makeup off of my face, and I need to edit this video tonight. My favorite cleansing balm. If I had to recommend any cleansing balm, it's this one by Versed. It takes all of your makeup off, including waterproof. I'm like very stocked up when it comes to Versed products. Like I have so many. I had to absolutely recommend a Versed product. It would 100% be this cleansing balm. It's insane. And like, look at this, you guys. Like, it's gonna take off all of my freaking makeup. Just, honestly, that walk was so therapeutic. I just really needed to get a walk in. I'm just like obsessed with going on walks with my dog. It's just been such like a therapeutic thing. There's one trail by me that I'm obsessed with that I usually go to. It has a really good incline, and it's just like such a beautiful, beautiful spot, but I haven't gone in like a minute. I'm gonna go in with some of the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, and I actually just let this like sit into my face like a little face mask. It's a really bomb, and it just makes your skin super glowy. I'm just so excited to do nothing today and just relax and edit. So I have some of my outfits and styles picked out for tomorrow for like content that I need to get for Tiger Mist. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. But don't forget to follow me on all my socials, and I really hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so, so much.